Itong room na to sakto lang, pero it's really clean, so yeah. Good night. And it's March 13, around 1:30. So call time is 3:30 PM pa naman. Pero ito na, I decided on this outfit. Green kasi ito yung color. Actually, they have colors red, blue, green, yellow. I also brought a yellow jacket just in case I need to change. Pero for now, ito yung position ng outfit. That's the outfit. So yun nga, yesterday, Wednesday, meron akong gig sa QC. So, I'm from the South. Bumiyahe ako ng mga afternoon, mga around 5, going to QC. Tapos, nagpunta muna ng modifier, went to work. Tapos after work, natapos na 3 AM, bumiyahe naman ako going back to the South for 1 hour. Tapos kumuha na ako ng damit and traveled another hour pabalik ng QC para mag-check yung video. And I still arrived here mga 5, katuloy ako mga 6. Kaya hindi madaling maging entertainer. But it's really worth it na ating pagod. It's really hard. It's really what I want to do. Which I haven't reached now. Yes. Ay, dito pala.
Ay, ayan, ilaw mo.
Hey, Meg.
Hello.
Sir Dave. Hi, talaga naman.
Talaga
naman.
Pero bagay sa iyo.